Hello everyone,
Hi,
I'm Donia and this is
you.
and today we will show you how to prepare
Judy.
crackers.
No, Judy. No, Daddy. Judy.
Okay, this is really a simple
No,
and
Judy.
easy.
No, Judy.
No cookie.
Daddy.
Crackers.
Okay.
Deal?
Yeah.
So today it's really an easy and simple recipe. All you need is whole wheat flour. We're gonna make whole wheat cheese crackers. Whole wheat flour, shredded cheese, sharp cheese, and make sure that you shred your cheese because sometimes the shredded cheese, the ones bought in store, they have anti-caking agents and we don't need that in our recipe. And melted butter. That's it mainly. You can add some seasoning mix, low in sodium, some like pizza spices, herbs, whatever you like. We are making this recipe today because Jude likes crackers and I like crackers too. Do you like crackers?
Yeah.
And the store-bought ones, they are high in sodium content. So we are making our recipe without any sodium. Some of them say that they are artificial color free or baked and not fried, and we can see some veggies inside, saying there's some listed veggies inside, but still the sodium content is high and there is some additives that you really don't need. So that's why we searched and got this recipe. So for our recipe, we already prepared the dough. You need exactly 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour contains fibers and some vitamins and minerals. Unlike white flour, which when it was bleached and processed, it lost its fiber content. Yes, we can open this one. And whole wheat flour, in case your kids doesn't like the taste of it, or even you, or you because you're not used to that one, you can start adding it to your diet gradually. So you can start, if the recipe yields for 1 cup of white flour, you can add 3/4 of white flour and 1/4 of whole wheat flour, and then increase it by time. It's gonna be later like half whole wheat, half white flour, and then the majority will be 3/4 whole wheat and then 1/4, and then you can eliminate it totally if you want the white flour. And we need, for our cheese, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of shredded cheese, sharp shredded cheese, and we need 4 tablespoons of melted butter only, and water. So you can start by adding the flour and then adding the melted butter to it and you crumble them by your hand, or if you have a food processor, it's gonna be better, until they have a crumbly texture. And then you add the cheese and knead them as a dough, and you will need almost 3, maximum 4 tablespoons of water. Add them gradually until you get a bowl size, a complete bowl-like dough. Yeah? Are you ready? You want to roll the dough?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's start. I'm gonna give you.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is a great activity for a kid, and it's gonna keep them busy for a while, so that you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, can you roll this one? So I'm gonna put. Make sure you clean your hands before you start. Clean your counter before kneading any dough. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start rolling. And it's a fun activity to do together. Yeah.
Mama, this is.
That's yours.
No, Mama. No, Mama.
What? You want to roll it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's roll this one together. Okay, let's make it circle again. Okay, so we're gonna roll this together. Okay, wait. Yeah. Okay.
Mama?
How about you catch this side and mommy catch this side? And we roll together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Roll. Wait. You don't want it to be paper thin, and you don't want it to be very thick.
Yeah.
Because when we put them in the oven, they're gonna puff a little bit. That's back to your preference. There. Move, 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 move. Yep. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Let's turn it to the other side. Down, 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 down. Up, up. Push. You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. You can chill your dough for like 10 minutes if you feel it's gonna be easier to work with it, but it's really easy to work with. I'm just following
Mama.
his pace and his pressure.
Mama, stop.
Turn it to the other side
No.
with this roll.
No.
Okay. See.
Oh.
Can mommy roll this side?
No.
This side. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. And as you notice that this recipe is egg free, it's nut free, and you can replace the whole wheat flour with gluten-free flour, and you can use lactose-free cheese for allergies, or maybe you can try the vegan cheese and tell us how did it turn out. And vegan butter.
Mama, stop. Stop. Stop.
Okay, that's it. Jimmy? Yeah. This is the thickness I'm looking for. I don't like it to be too thin and not too thick. Okay, and now we're gonna make shapes. Cookie cutters, but the ones that I have are really big. So I tried to search my son's toys, and I got the shapes that he learns, so that we can use this one. We wash them properly and I sanitize them, and even like for circular shapes you can use the medicine cup. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
You want to make a square?
Yeah.
What's this?
Take it.
What's this?
Take it.
Circle. You want to make a circle?
Yeah.
Okay, you put it, push and turn. What do we have?
Take it.
Wow. Push more. You
Yeah.
need, wait. You need? Yeah. How about this shape? It's gonna be educational too. Give me. So, we have to cut it more. What's this shape?
Take it.
This one.
Die.
You wanna make some stars?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start from here. Wow. What's this?
They die.
A star. So I think they're gonna be busy for like 30 minutes just cutting, and you can learn the shapes meanwhile. More pressure. Okay. Let's try on this one again.
Mama. Mama.
Slowly. What's this?
Take it.
Circle.
Mama.
Line them in a parchment on a baking sheet, and you can put a parchment paper so that they don't stick or burn. They just need 12 to 16 minutes maximum in the oven. The thicker they are, the more they take in the oven at 350 degrees. That's it. And then you're ready to have them. And after they're done, you have to store them in an airtight container for up to 5 days. What's this shape?
Die.
Triangle.
Die.
Push, push. Wow. Triangle. And here we got our triangle. How about a heart?
Oh.
Let's try heart. Here. Push, push, push. Done. Heart shape.
What is
Triangle. And then they can put the shapes and the... How about a square? Let's make a square. More hearts. Push down. Up. You get a heart? Can you give me the shapes?
No.
Push more. Push more. You have a star. Careful. That's the crackers that we baked before, the batch that we did before. We have so many shapes and they are really delicious, and your kids gonna enjoy making them and eating them, and you too. So I just want to add one last tip before saying goodbye. When you offer, this is not a complete snack, so it just has the carbs, the fat, and the milk, the calcium, the cheese, protein. So you can add to it, give them some crackers, and then accompany it with some vegetables and fruits. So it's gonna be kind of a complete snack, and they would really enjoy. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed and you like the recipe, and please, if you prepared, tell us what do you think, how did it taste, how did it go. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye.